Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Ghostface. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Ghostface, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin with a curve like this. Then we want to leave a little bit of space, and we're going to do that same thing over here, just to make a little curve. We're going to put a small bump at the top of each one. And then we're going to come down and connect it to here. Same thing, we're going to come down and we're just going to connect it to here. Right in the middle here, we're going to make a little sad face. And then we're going to put two little bumps. Then right here, we're going to make another sad face. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. And then we're just going to go ahead and color all of these parts in. Now, starting out here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to curve around. And then we're going to bring this up just a little bit more. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve it around and come up here. Right up here, we're going to add two little bumps. And then we'll also add a couple little lines here. And I'm also going to add a little line up here on each side, just to add some detail. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. It's going to come up here. And we're going to do that same thing. We're just going to come out and bring it down to here. We're going to make a little line here and a little line here. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. And we can color in this part right around here. We'll go ahead and color in this part too. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this down farther on each side, and then I'm going to add another little line on each side as well. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and up. And then we'll make a little line that's going to curve around here for like the belt. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then one over here. And we're just going to make it kind of pointed, wavy, and bumpy right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a couple little lines on here on the top and on the bottom. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here. And then we're also going to make a line that's going to come out here too. I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve down. It's going to come up. And then we're going to bring it over here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come back, and we're going to put a curve here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and in, and then down. Do another one here, curve around and in, and then one more, curve around and then in. And we'll just curve it to here. And bring this line up. Now this line, we're going to do that same thing. We're going to add two curves. Then we're going to bring this down, and we're going to curve this up and bring this over. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up and like an oval. We're going to make an oval shape here, one here, and then one more right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, over, and down for a rectangle. And then I'm going to make a skinny rectangle or oval shape right here. Then I'm going to bring this down with a curve. I'm going to curve it in and then come straight up with a little line down. Make a little line to here and a line up. And we can go ahead and color these two parts in. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the leg. And one more here, down, over, and up. Make a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring it over and up. And then one here. We're going to bring this down. We're going to bring this over and up. And then I like to draw a line right across the bottom for the shoe. And there you go. There is your drawing of Ghostface. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.